Hey everyone, welcome back to WebToTech YouTube channel, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to put Do Not Disturb mode on WhatsApp. So now let's begin with the steps. One thing you have to note down is that there is no feature specifically on WhatsApp that allows you to enable Do Not Disturb mode. So you will have to turn on Do Not Disturb mode on your phone itself. Now, if you are an iOS user, just scroll down from the top right corner of your screen to the control panel. Now, as your control panel is displayed, just long tap on the option of focus. Now, you'll see various option modes here. Now, simply tap on the option of Do Not Disturb at the top. Now, Do Not Disturb mode has been turned on your mobile device. Now, this feature applies to every application on your mobile device, including WhatsApp. Now, there's another step that you can follow if you don't wish to receive notifications on WhatsApp. Open Settings on your phone and then simply tap on Notifications. Now scroll down below till the end and tap on WhatsApp. Here we go. Now once you are here, you'll see the option of WhatsApp Notification Settings. Tap on it. Now over here, the toggle for show notifications is turned on. Now, if you simply turn off this toggle, you won't be getting notifications. You can turn off the toggle for group notifications as well. Also, if you tap on the option of in-app notifications, you can turn off the toggle for sounds. So follow this step and you won't be getting message notifications or message sounds on WhatsApp. And this is it for today's video. If you found this video helpful and informative, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.